Muhammadu Buhari has died at the age of 82.
Comment about Buhari. Don't try to be stupid. Don't come there to come and say, what about you? That is it. Shut up your mouth. Let's just mourn your own. Show you the mourn. And your papa died. Mourn now. May you rest. Me, when decide I no go mourn Buhari, leave me. Idiot. How many times did you mourn the people they killed at Target? Or you don't know that he was president then? You know how many innocent people have lost their lives because of the useless governance of these people? How can you be a president and for the trillions and trillions and trillions of budgets and money you borrowed from IMF, you could not build a standard hospital? You have to go and die in London. You don't die where? You're supposed to wipe you for that your bed. I can imagine the best of doctors that treated you, yet you died. And imagine us, we not even get equipment so that they treat. Now God, they keep us. Please, oh, mourn a peace. You idiots that are under my comment section trying to form. If I swear go for na, say it go reach una body. Pasalwa na de crazy. Oguwa berak bijwa. Uga una de mad. Oh, I should feel sorry now. I'm seeing some blog posting slow music. It's picture you there, Chris. Sentiments and emotions will not kill Nigerians. We should suddenly celebrate a Buhari. You are four idiots, the most miserable. Please, oh, let's just say, no wonder. For some days now, the useless garbage show. You they confess now. So now you do this. Rats no enter office. Now you talk. Now so Buhari no go collect money for food. He was not dubious. Instead of collecting millions for food, he was eating beans and bread as president. You all idiots. And the idiots when I say we be now actually be. Maybe because now don't say time for announcements don't reach. So you are trying to whitewash the image. And so persons are coming to prevail on me to show emotions. A man that couldn't do anything. You didn't provide jobs. You didn't provide security. Healthcare was zero. Education zero. House they strike every year. Protestants were killed and thrown inside river like waste product. There's nothing he was ever aware of. When the thing gets international recognition, they seek for the president's speech. He said, I was not aware. Is he aware is dead? Somebody should tell him. Please, oh, please. If you have fake wishes to share it and not block you. But if you carry on come my doorstep now, Google help me kill you. This is the time to tag all Nigerian politicians. The time you will use to do condolence, use it to tag Tinubu, tag Wicked, tag all your governors, tag all the useless politicians that has made our life living hell, has made our youth age useless. Tag them and remind them that we all die one day. And the same UK now, they can't tell us 2 years later, say don't die. Una they say more start to they cry. Not that 2 years ago I cried. The energy why I get now to remind those when they are alive actually say they'll soon join them. Nobody be Odunga, nothing they dislike, nobody be Superman. When you do finish, you go. If you like, no build better hospital. When your time reach, before you reach London, I road you for that. Any idiot that tries to come to my comment section now to type nonsense, to want to educate me, add death settles or quarrel, you'll die follow them. Because you not be goats, voluntary slaves. Get what will they take una do for you? People are just as useless as meat pie and water. And the rest in peace to Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. The one president who was ready to change things. But of course, good people don't last. For this one, beg go answer God, wait till happen for Lekki to get.
My people, Buhari don't die. See life. See life. The Buhari criminal man that sent DSS and military to come and kill me, maybe in the night, in July 1st, 2021. He died today. See life. My people, we're supposed to learn about this. That criminal man, Muhammadu Buhari, he don't die. See, I'm alive today.
As an Igbo man, somebody called me today to ask me, how do I feel about Buhari's death? Here are my best memories of President Muhammadu Buhari. Watch.
Okay, well, moving now to West Africa, Nigeria, where the President Muhammadu Buhari has described the indigenous people of Biafra clamoring for secession as a dot in the circle that has nowhere to go.
Now, the president said this in an interview, adding that IPOB is just a dot in a circle. Now, even if they want to exit, they will have no access to anywhere. Now, the president noted that the way Igbos are spread all over the country, having businesses and properties, I don't think IPOB knows what you're talking about.
Well, those are the president's own comments. Now, further comments reiterated by the president in a statement that IPOB members will be treated in the, quote, language they understand. And this clearly is a follow-up to that and really fueled lots of anxiety and a bit of angst amongst Nigerians and not just people from the East.
And at the time when that report came out, I mean, when it was put on social media, it was on Twitter, prior to when Twitter was banned, and it got a lot of comments, and a lot of people reported that tweet, and that was what brought about the tweet being brought down. And the Minister of Information, Lai Mohammed, had to come out and give his own statement on that. And a lot of Nigerians at that point, and even people in diaspora and beyond the African continent, saw that tweet and felt it was a way, it was a strong language to use for Nigerians if you're looking at the IPOP people. And at this point in time, that's not such a body language that should be given out from the presidency.
One would like to advise President Muhammadu Buhari to appreciate the quality of our people and then respect all ethnic groups in the country. To describe what is going on in the Southeast as a dot in a circle is extremely insulting. Violence is going on all over the country. The war on terror has been waged since 2009. Yet, no president in the country has ever dismissed the people in the Northeast. So if violence has broken out in a section of the East, it cannot be a basis to declare a war on the entire region, to allow security forces to kill government and innocent people and unarmed people. No, it cannot be tolerated in any civilized society.
So don't ask me how I feel about the death of President Muhammadu Buhari as an Igbo man. My memories of Buhari was that he called the Igbos a dot in the circle. People of more than 16 million in population out of 200 million Nigerians. Under the watch of President Buhari, the Igbos were killed through the unknown gunmen that disappeared immediately after his government ended. Buhari showed nothing but hatred against the Igbos through the detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whose only offense was crying out against the marginalization of the Igbos by the Nigerian government, who killed more than 3 million during the Nigerian Civil War, and were economically deprived immediately after the Civil War. So how do you want me to feel about his death? My emotions are nothing but crickets. I'm emotionless. I don't feel good. I don't feel bad. But I remember missed opportunities that Buhari would have used to integrate or reintegrate the Igbos in Nigerian mainstream. He missed those opportunities. For Buhari to threaten the Igbos that he would deal with them in the language they understood. Of course, he was referring to the Nigerian Civil War, where the Igbos were killed. And you want me to show empathy on his death? I chose not to be politically correct. But I want to use this medium to tell Nigerian political elites to learn from this man's death that we are all mortals. That despite all the enrichment, despite all the stealing, the accumulation of wealth, that one day, like Sani Abacha of the blessed memory, we shall all kick the bucket and leave the stage, go backstage after dancing. Let us use this opportunity to make right our ways and know that our legacy is the only thing that will speak for us. So as an Igbo man, what legacy will I think President Buhari left behind against my people? It's nothing but hatred. Will I remember him as a true leader, or as an infamous leader? Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. Will you remember Buhari as a good leader or a bad leader? Let me know what you think. Kindly remember to subscribe, share the video, and please like this video. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thank you.
We have told the Supreme Court to do the needful. The case has been adjourned to the 11th of May. But here is calling on President Buhari, please, sir, on my bended knees, you can order the release of Nnamdi Kanu today. You can do it through the Attorney General of the Federation, who has the powers to enter a nolle prosecute, discontinuance of the cases. After all, there's even no case now. It's just being held illegally. Let him go. Let my people go. You don't have to wait for the Supreme Court decision. You don't have to wait to go on May 29. Let Nnamdi Kanu go.